Well, guys, I'm an idiot, and I went to Walmart today, and you guys are gonna kill me because I won't stop making videos. But I got a Gems of the Game box. I just took the wrapping off, so I haven't looked at the grading card. And here it is. Probably Chauncey Billups 0708 Tops, graded an 8. Now it's a 2001-2002 Upper Deck MJ's Back Michael Jordan, graded a 9. So that's not bad, I guess. So it looks like we have some terrible packs as always. What's new? Alright, so here we go. We have 2006 Press Pass. Probably be the best pack in here. No, Andre Bargnani, JJ Redick, James Augustine, and David Noel. Okay. What is this? Upper Deck Reserve of 607. Oh, nice. We have 3 cards. Very nice looking card, though. Next, we have 0809 First Edition. We have a shiny card. Oh, my lord. A rookie of Anthony Randolph. You play for LSU? Are you kidding me? That's pretty cool. And a Baron Davis Star Quest. Oh, my camera's going down. I don't want that to happen again. Another first edition pack, unfortunately. Earl Monroe insert. Richard Hendricks rookie, and an insert of Carmelo. 0708 first edition. Kevin Durant rookie. Insert. Wait, there's a rookie. Okay. Ronaldo Baltman. Sick. That pays for the box. For me. Joakim Noah insert and a Thaddeus Young rookie. Oh, yay. 94-95 Fleer. I'm so excited for this. Ugh. Dominique Wilkins, B.J. Armstrong, James Robinson. Why did I even open this? The Trail Speedwell. Who's this? George Lynch insert. Shaq. Why am I doing this? I guess I could get a Jordan. Oh man, they were generous enough to give me another one. Oh, a Shaq. Look, the first ones aren't sticking. Mark Price. That was a Dennis Rodman insert. Okay. Those 7 and 8 tops. Yao Ming, Julian Wright, and a Tops tip-off. I originally thought it was Tops hardwood. I was sadly mistaken. I thought you had a numbered card in every pack. And they ripped me off. So that was a major fail. Peace. Oh wait. I forgot. Buy a mystery pack and get that.